Hello, everyone. I've got Cindy on here. We're actually making a craft that we have not made before. Oh, go figure. I don't even know if that got me in there or not. But anyways, yeah, and you can see my shirt that I made. Can they see it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. We have a craft that we've not done before, like I said, and we want to try it out. So we're trying it out on you guys. So
you need an
Cindy,
image printed off of your computer.
it's easier if it's an animal or whatever to cut around, because this was a pain to cut around.
This is going to be an experiment, like with words.
Yeah.
You're supposed to use a picture, but we're going to try it with words. So
Right.
If it doesn't work, we'll do part 2 with the picture, and you won't see this one. You need Saran Wrap or Glad Wrap and wax paper.
A tea towel.
A tea towel. And an iron. I just have my little Cricut mini iron. Whoa, my Cricut light. Do you like my Cricut light? Look at it.
Yeah, she just bumped herself in the head.
Blue light.
Ew, I don't like the blue. Yeah, that blue is freaky.
So,
that's kind of bright. That's blue.
Okay.
That's blue. We don't like the blue.
Which one looks better on video? Like that?
Yeah, I like that one better.
So what I'm going to do first is take the Saran Wrap.
I thought you were ironing the towel first.
Nah, I'll put it in Saran Wrap first.
Okay.
And I'll iron it.
You put a piece of Saran Wrap down.
And then, you know Saran Wrap. It's the challenge to get it separated, especially for somebody like me. Everything's a challenge.
So you do one, and then you put your item up on top of it, not flipped over, but face up.
And
you needed that cling wrap another.
Did she trim this too? She did trim this Saran Wrap, didn't she?
Yeah, I think she tried to make sure she just pulled off a small piece to fit over it. But she mainly just smashed it down. I don't think she trimmed it that much.
Oh.
I would go ahead and trim it though.
I left my scissors over there, of course, our organization skills, you know.
And that's what makes it nice whenever I'm in a chair and I
We're
can
in
move.
Treasure Island today. If you don't recognize this craft space, this is what you call my little tiny craft space. But I love it because if you walk outside, we get to see the ocean.
I'll walk outside and I'll show them the outside. Okay, I'll go slowly because I don't like to make people sick. But I'll show you outside. Oh man, I gotta remember that step up is there. I've got back problems today. Richard's always got back problems. But this is the outside of her house right here. Well, this is to the back of the house anyway. There you go. And then this is the inside. Again, I'm just trying to go slow. And please, if you heard that bad word, that didn't come from us. Hopefully you didn't hear it. It's on Richard's TV. Okay, we're back. Okay.
Remind me of the next step, Mommy T.
The next step, you is watching the video, not me. She irons it on. After you put the wax paper on top, you gotta put wax paper. Okay, Cindy just got done ironing the towel. So we're ready. She put Saran Wrap, excuse me, she put Saran Wrap on top and bottom, and then cut it out the best that you can around. You don't have to be nitpicky with it, but you got to cut it around a little bit. And then you take the item, you put it down, and you take a piece of wax paper, which she has already got a piece torn out over there.
The lady said shiny side up, so that's what we're doing.
She said she didn't think it mattered. But so she always did shiny side up.
Okay, so then she just
ironed it on with a regular iron, but we're using the Cricut iron.
Hopefully Cricut doesn't do me wrong today.
Oh, I'm sure it won't. Do you see it already trying to adhere? It looks like it's straightening out.
It is. It's straightening out. It's melting. The Saran Wrap is I'm melting. Okay, so I do have a few bubbles. Maybe I can fix it. I don't think I can. But overall,
time will tell. Make sure
this was a test. Like, you cut the bed. Is this the one you cut?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I would do the outside a little bit further too, just in case there's some of the wax paper and it didn't get melted down, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. But
I
would not use words on this.
No, it's just too hard to cut it out.
No, because the whole white in the middle, I just don't know that it looks good. So a picture would be better.
Okay, so now
she
said you let it cool for a little bit.
Oh, look at the flappers.
Oh, I got worse flappers than you ever thought about having. We're talking about underarms. Our underarms. I'm trying to hold it up here.
Just cool down a little bit, or just so you can touch it?
Just let it cool down a little bit. Is it working?
Nope, it's not working.
It isn't?
Mm-mm. I mean, it's working, but it might be just because it's words, not a picture. You know what I mean? Because you can really see the...
Or maybe we didn't add enough heat to it.
No, I think it's because, look, it's working. That's not the problem. The heat's not the problem. It's because it's words and not a picture. But that's what crafting is about. You just try and fail.
Try and fail. No, we don't try and fail. I think it looks pretty cool, though.
Not, yeah.
Hold it up so we can see it. That's pretty cool, actually.
You can really kind of see the edges, and on a picture, you wouldn't be able to see the edges peeling. But maybe I could put something over it and melt it back down, but
yeah,
concept's cool.
It is. It is pretty cool.
Or wonder if the Cricut could do it by cutting the words out. I mean, kind of defeats the purpose, yeah. I agree. I think it's prettier with the Cricut. We will try something with a picture.
But it's food for thought. We wanted to try it and let you guys see. And we tried it, and I would say Cricut's much better.
Yeah.
But
vinyl, but we're going to try a picture. So we'll add the picture on this video too. Just to show you
it almost looks like, I wonder if you throw it in the wash, would some of the loose stuff come off? And then it would be exactly where it needs to be.
Maybe. We'll try a few things. Yeah. Thanks for watching.
We'll try it and let you guys know. And if it comes out good, this is one of the items that we could do like a giveaway with Mother's Day coming.
Well, I wouldn't be giving this away.
Well, no, I'm just saying if it comes out good, not if it's
But I'm going to try like a floral something and see, or a picture or something. So we'll do both and see how it works.
Okay. Bye, guys.